Because of Calvin. Because of Calvin, I got the opportunity to direct a conference as a sophomore in college. Because of Calvin, I've grown in my musical ability and developed my passion for worship leadership. Because of Calvin, I've gotten the chance to travel to North Carolina and Georgia over spring break on service learning trips. Because of Calvin, I've gotten to explore West Michigan in all of its beauty, including Lake Michigan, which I love. Because of Calvin, I've discovered a love within myself for international development and global justice. Because of Calvin, I've made some of the friends that I know will stick around for the rest of my life, and I'm so grateful for them. Because of Calvin, I've gotten the chance to be a leader in many areas of life, including being a resident assistant for Calvin's Residence Life. Because of Calvin, I have grown, I have changed, and I have learned to love the Lord with all of my heart and my mind.
Breath inside.